Hello students, today we will be starting a new lesson in English literature, and that is Out of Love for the Friendless. See, this story refers to outstanding efforts made by an American citizen who had also been a diplomatic officer of USA. Diplomats you all would be knowing na? Those who are the diplomats of one country and they reside in the other country, they are called diplomats. So he was a very close uh, officer to uh, the President of United States of America. At that time, the U.S. President was Abraham Lincoln, and he was close to him. And he had done marvelous efforts against the cruelty done to animals in 19th century. Means at that in it was the case of 1860 to 1870. So at that time there was a lots of cruelty being done to the animals, and he had done a lot of things to prevent to stop that cruelty against those animals. So this story in this story there are four children whose names are Aradhana, Kabir, and Arjun, and Rajshri. Four children are there, and they are watching a television. One movie is there, 101 Dalmatians, and in that movie they are seeing that uh, it is being about this thing only, cruelty to animals, and it is being said that everybody is so much sad these days. Why? Because people don't have feelings nowadays. They don't have the feelings to one another. So they are saying that we have feelings. My mother loves me, and the other boy is saying that I love my dog. So they are discussing these things, and they are very confused. They go to their grandfather and they are asking why it is being said in this story like that. So their father explained them the whole story. Their father is saying that this story refers to circulates around an American citizen whose name is Henry Berg. And Henry Berg, he is the diplomatic officer of United States of America, and but he had somewhere a soft corner towards he had affection towards the animals. Once upon a time he had been a diplomat to Russia. Means as a diplomatic officer of America, he visited Russia, and he was he was dressed up in a very nice way, and he was going somewhere in Russia, in Moscow, and he saw that in Russia one uh, car driver was going. At that time car was in that way only. Two horses were just they were sliding the car. So the car driver was hitting them very hard, and again he was trying to hit, and at the same time the this Henry Berg reached there, and he just holded his hand that why are you beating him. And if one officer is there of a very big country, a senior officer, and if he is getting out of his vehicle and going to on the road and holding someone's hand, it draws attention. So it drew attention in the media also, and in that way. And after some times he just resigned from his such a great job, and he resigned. That he said, I am not enjoying this job, I will be doing only for the prevention of the animals. So all these things were being discussed, and so many incidents are there. One incident is that in New York courtroom there was a horse owner and a cab driver was there. Horse owner and cab driver was there, and he had just just filed a court case against them that they are hitting the animal horse very harshly, and they are saying that, sir, this is my horse, why should I if they are getting hitting hard, why it is there. Then court said no, it is not good, and the court imposed the fine on them. $10 fine the court imposed upon them. So it also draw some just attention in the media. And in this way, so many things he has done. One thing was there, uh, one in a ship was coming, and the name of that ship was Active. And in that ship, so many turtles were there, and so many turtles were there, and they were just loaded on that, and just they were tied with a rope, thick rope, and the hole was there in the ship, and they were with the rope was passing through the hole, and the turtles were, they were just blood was just coming out of their body. And he just filed a case against the ship owner that they are doing cruelty to the turtle. So the ship owner said that, sir, turtle is not an animal according to that law, according to then law of the America. They said that this is not the America, this turtle is not the animal. It's not an animal, not it is a vegetable. He said it is not if it is not an animal, then it is not a vegetable also, and it should be there. This is cruelty, but court didn't agree. So these types of things were happening, and in last once upon a time, some cab drivers were going on, and two horses were just pulling those horses, those cars, and they were overloaded, and he just and they were hitting it harshly, and he just went there and he said, get out of the come down of the car, and why are you doing this type of cruelty towards the animal? So he said, no, I will not do it. He forcibly took him out, and a long traffic jam was there, and people were struggling in the traffic for 2, 3, 4 hours. And in last, the transit company, they just agreed that no, it is we will be liberal towards the animal, and instead of two horses being pulled by the car, they just started to join 4 horses. Means that was the 19th century was the century of horses only, because at that time vehicles were very less, and everything, the cars, the vehicles, they were also, everything was done by the horses. Even the rich class people, they used to for the entertaining also, they were using the animals, the horse fight and all these things. So many types of cruelty was there, and he did a lot of things. But in last, he had to face money problem, financial problem, everything. If a good thing also has to be done, we have to be wealthy, we should have the money. And one rich man offered him that, yes, I am offering you $1 lakh, and but you promise me that you will do the same thing which you are doing now. Your cause will be for the prevention of animals, and in this way, one who is doing the good thing, God helps him, and in this way his society had done a lot of things for the saving of animals. So this was the whole story, and paragraph wise explanation we will be discussing in the coming videos. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.